Hello friends, my name is Asif Ali and today I will guide you through how to use this website and avail our services. At the topmost we have main menu bar with few options. By scrolling down we have some latest designs and recently completed projects, and few main services provided by our company. In About section we have intro with bit of details, expertise and reason that why a lot of customers preferred us and avail our services. By clicking on services option you will able to book our services. Here we have few options of services we provide. Each service contain its detail and related services. You can find them by clicking on it. In this section you can book our service, and before booking you can also select any of our team on the basis of their rating. Down there we have some related services, you can also book them as well. Here is the list of our teams. By clicking on read more button you will know about their details and ratings. Now after clicking on Book Now button registration form will open. You must register yourself before confirm booking. After registration, log into your account by providing credentials. Here we have user panel. You must fill the Book Now form by providing the required information and submit it. After successfully submission of request you can check status of your request by clicking on view order option. Here is your request which is pending now. You can also update your order also by click on update button. After availing our service you can also give feedback by clicking on feedback option. You can also rate your teams on the basis of their work by clicking on team rating option. In profile section you can view your details and also edit them as well. Now we will move to admin panel. After login into admin panel, admin will able to manage all the information display on website. For example, admin can view all the ordered services from customers and able to edit, approved and rejected them. Admin can also manage all the information related all registered customers. By clicking on Profile option, admin can view and edit his profile. Admin can also manage the teams. For example, admin can add, edit and delete teams when required. By clicking on Testimonials, admin can view, add, delete and edit any testimonial he wants. In Services option there are further two subcategories, residential and commercial subcategories. Admin has access to manage all these information. For example, he can add, delete, update any service he wants when required. Now we are moving to pricing section where customer can view all the pricing list of available services. In Contact Us page, customer can contact to our company at any time for any query. And last testimonial section contains views of our customers about our work. Thank you and have a good day.
If you enjoyed the video, do like and share. And for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Stay tuned and goodbye.